me to do the cinnamon challenge, so I'm gonna try it. I want to make some ensemble, so I'm gonna put on an apron.
Sophia, you guys need to see Betty this morning before things. You have a lot of improvement, like you need to get her process. I never myself.
Anyway, apron's going on.
There's a lot of blank food and sewing stuff.
Stomach.
Like I thought one plate before you decide your name. Nothing to put.
Yo, your lip looking mad pink.
Alright. Okay.
No, this community inclusion is driving me nuts.
Got my spoon and my water. I don't got a bottle of water.
Okay, good. You know,
Put it over here. Here we go.
you ready? It's recording. You have water?
Yeah. Let me open this shit up. Smells good.
Oh shit.
Oh, I think that's too much. Huh?
You gonna fuck yourself
Oh
up.
shit.
Look at- Yo, this is gonna be funny as
Don't
hell.
waste my cinnamon, man. That's for the cake.
Nope, she gonna eat the whole thing.
Alright, here it is. I'm fucking scared, son.
People really act like this. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's disgusting. Woo! It's all in my mouth.
Did you sanitize nothing?
That shit was funny as hell.
Don't make cinnamon the flurry fall.